Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel with Victor. First, we're going to open Excel. So you go down with the mouse in the middle of the screen, go down to the left until you hit the Start button. Now, in the list of programs, you need to find Excel. Sometimes you have to look inside a menu, like here. When you get this screen, choose Blank Workbook. Now, go to the bottom of the worksheet and select New Sheet. Here, New Sheet. Now you can switch between them. Pretty handy, huh? Now right-click on the new sheet and select Delete Sheet. So here, the mouse is in the center. Go down to the left until you're above the sheet 2. Right-click and select Delete. And yes, delete. Now type some numbers into Excel. To remove what you previously typed, just press on the cell where the typing is and press Delete. Now type some numbers. Now type some numbers into the Excel sheet. To select the data range, press the top value, the cell with the top value, and then go down to the bottom one, press Shift and click. So Shift, click. Now you've selected the data range. Press Ctrl C to copy the data to another place with Ctrl V. So, I have selected what I want to copy. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. If you don't want to copy, but instead you want to move the data range, select it. So press the first value, the cell with the first value. Click and hold Shift, and press on the cell where you want the selection to end. Press Ctrl X and Control V. There. You've moved the data range instead of copying it. Now we're going to make a bar chart. So with the data range selected, go to Insert, and here, Insert a bar chart. Now you get a few options as to how to do that. I'm just going to pick the first one. So left click on it. And there you have a bar chart. Now we're going to make a pie chart instead. Select the data range, go to Insert, and click Insert Pie Charts. You get a few options. I'm going to pick the 3D one here. And there, you have a nice 3D pie chart. If you want to color the cells, go to Home, and for example, if you want these cells to be green, you can select green here. And that'll make your cells stand out. If you instead want to make them red, just move the mouse up above the red cell option and click left click. Okay, that's everything for today. Thank you very much for listening.